Kawere gi weche mag jodong Luo, ji ariyo mawuok Tanzania omaki tong' Kenya gi Tanzania Namanga kaitudo gi ohala mar tunge liech ataro machi Kimani Manase Musumbwe kod Dina Oneka Kienya ne omaki samane gichwalo tunge liech 20 mawachore ne gole maukom liech 5 apedha bano tim kod okwach kich ne ojuko nyamburko 2 maduto bokgi mag ndikruok yango ne gin mag Tanzania ka oting'o tunge liech go. Nono mosetim yango ni tunge liech go wuok e piny Malawi kendo ne iterogi e pinje maoko. Achijego ogeng'negi e tesend Obila ma Namanga.
I want to commend the teams which carried out this operation. I want to commend the Lusaka Agreement Task Force. I want to commend the Kenya Wildlife Service Investigation Team Kajiado and also the Kenya Police for a well-coordinated operation to arrest these people.
So surprisingly, that this high body that is here today, that has been recovered here in Namanga, where we stand today, it has moved and closed borders because this ivory is not from Tanzania, despite the culprits whom we have arrested today having come from Tanzania. They had to cross to Malawi, where they got the ivory from. They have moved this ivory all the way from Malawi. They have crossed Tanzania looking for a willing buyer, and so they came to Kenya.
To the people who are trading in this business, or rather doing any illicit trade, be it wildlife, goods aina yote, wajue ya kwamba machineries zetu za Kenya are in place.